A costly setback, rising pressure, and a battlefield that is changing fast. This is the new reality of the conflict. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Times XP's War Report. And reports now suggest that American forces have lost more than dozens of MQ-9 Reaper drones during the recent exchanges with Iran. Now, this is raising serious concern about strategy, spending, and control of the skies. Let me tell you first, let me make it very clear that these are not ordinary drones. The MQ-9 Reaper, it is one of the most advanced unmanned system of the United States, used for surveillance and precision strike. Each one carries a price tag of about $30 million or maybe more, which means the total losses are already being counted in hundreds of millions of dollars. Let me simplify this for you. Every drone loss, it is not just equipment gone, it's capability reduced. What makes this development even more significant is how these drones were taken down. Reports suggest that Iran's air defense systems, it successfully targeted these high-value assets, indicating a shift in the battlefield though. For years, such drones operated with very relative freedom, right? But now the skies are becoming more contested. This changes the equation though. Drones are often the eyes in the sky, tracking movement, guiding strike, and providing real-time intelligence. So losing them creates right? Gaps that could affect the decision-making and response time on the ground. And at the very same time, the financial cost of the conflict, it is rapidly increasing. In just the first week, billions of dollars have reportedly been spent on weapons, operations, and logistics. Overall costs are now being estimated in the billion range, putting additional pressure on resources and raising question about how long such a pace can be sustained. The whole situation, it is no longer just about military exchanges. It is also about economics. Sustained losses, rising expenses, and the need to replace the advanced equipment, they are adding another layer to the complexity of this conflict. This is also leading to bigger question, by the way. Is the current strategy really working? Are the risks being underestimated, and how will this continued losses impact the balance of power in the region? Ladies and gentlemen, as tension continue to rise, the battlefield is evolving. Technology that once gave a very clear advantage is now being challenged, and the cost of every move, it is becoming higher. One thing is certain, the conflict is now entering a far more difficult phase. The losses are growing, the pressure is building, and the consequences are no longer limited to the battlefield. They are being felt in strategy, resources, and global politics.